Hi sir, good evening. This is Cadet Jomar Garcia from VSCV 3B student, and to this video, we're going to tackle about the proper communication using VHF, HF, MF, Flat 77 and DSC. So first we have VHF. So the standard procedure for a non-emergency call, such as calling another vessel, marina, or restaurant you ask where to tie up for dinner, is as follows. We have step 1. Call the vessel, marina, or restaurant on channel 9 in the following manner. Then step 2. Name of your station being called, then spoken 3 times. Step 3. The word "this is" spoken once. So the word this is the time that you're going to introduce yourself. Then step number 4, we have name of your vessel, then spoken once. Step number 5, we have the word "over." So the word "over" is very important in marine communication because it indicates that you're expecting another vessel or another side to answer your question. Next, we have step number 6. You wait for the station being called to answer. Their answer should be in the same manner as yours. Then we have step number 7. Once answered, you should suggest a specific working channel to carry on your conversation. Step number 8, we have the word "over." Then step number 9, wait for reply or confirmation from the station being called. Switch to the working channel and repeat the process. Then we have step number 10. When done the speaking and leaving a specific channel, use the word "out" at the end. Okay, that is how we're going to communicate using VHF. Okay, next we have Fleet 77. Okay, the proper use of Fleet 77. Operating the Fleet 77 radio communication, you need to turn on your equipment and wait until the good sequence is completed. And when it is completed, the display will appear red. To access the option, you need to press the menu button to access the option by sending distress call using the Fleet 77. So here are the steps in using Fleet 77. Okay, step number 1, press the distress button within 5 seconds or more to send a distress station. Step number 2, select the LES or land air station by using the up and down arrow and press OK and wait until the call is connected or successful. Okay, that is how we're going to use Fleet 77. Okay, next we have HF or MF marine radio. So here are the steps in using the HF and MF communication. So step number 1, listen before transmitting to ensure a frequency is not already in use. Then step number 2, use the minimum transmitting power necessary for reliable communication. Step number 3, strictly observe the purpose for which a frequency is assigned. Then step number 4, test signals to a minimum. Then step number 5, when reception is doubtful or condition is difficult, spell out the words and figure using international phonetic alphabet and figure code when transmitting a message. Then we have step number 6. Each transmission should be end with the word "over" to indicate that you are expecting another station to reply. Then we have step number 7. Always end the exchange of communication with the word "out." Next we have the communication using DSC distress alert. Okay, the DSC distress alert is transmitted as follows. Step 1, tune the transmitter to the DSC distress signal at 2187 on MF, channel 70 on VHF. Then step number 2, if time permits, key in or select to the DSC equipment keyboard. Then step number 3, the nature of distress. Then step number 4, the ship's last known position, latitude and longitude. Step number 5, the time VTC or the position wave radio. Okay, and then step number 6, type of subsequent distress communication or telephony. In step number 7, in accordance with the DSC equipment manufacturer's instructions, transmits the DSC distress signal. Prepare for the subsequent distress traffic by tuning the transmitter and radio telephony receiver to the distress traffic channel in the same band. So that's all of my report, sir, and God bless.